What's up, everybody? So today we are at the farm here. I'm gonna give you a tour around this farm. I've not shown you guys the half of the farm. That is gonna be in this video only, but after some time, boys. Look at who came to say hi to my channel, boys. Goats! We've got goats. We've got goats, boys. We've got goats. We've got sheep, so goats, whatever you want to call them, boys. Say hi to my channel. Okay. Bro, look at that one. He's savage. Oh, look at this cute one, bro. Look at that. Bro, you're seriously savage. Okay, let's get moving on to the next one. Okay, guys. So here we have some... Oh, bro, look at this. Who came to say hi to my channel? And we have this. What is this now? This is probably orcs. I don't know, boys. There you go, boys. And okay, moving on to the next ones. Bro, this is so cool. The donkey one is empty. Where is the donkey? Yeah, guys. Whoa. So here are the goats. Now here are the birds, boys. Let me get you guys a closer look. Oh, 1 second, boys. Let's look at that. Let's get a close look to that, boys. And 1 second. We'll try to pet one of these things. Guys. Okay, guys. Look at this. Look at this one. Look at her. Bro, yes, let's go to the museum. After this, I think we are going to the museum, boys. Oh no, boy. Not me. And yeah, guys, this is the end of our tour. But wait a second, I think we have more stuff, a little bit more. We have these birds here, and this is, guys. Yeah, now we're going to the museum, guys. And here's my face, guys. Doing this on cam. Yeah. So I've been not showing my face lately because I don't really have a good, vlogging that you can already see from here. That I don't. But yeah, guys, let me talk to you about something. Please, let's get this video to at least like, let's get this video to 20 likes. And then I will do something really special for you guys. I will take you a tour for Legoland. No, how about we get this video to 200 likes? That's when I will get you guys to Legoland tour, guys. Okay, guys? So yeah, let's carry on with my tour. And here's my friend Usher. Say hi.
Yeah, hi.
He has his own channel. What?
Whoa.
Let's go to the museum. I think we'll go to the museum. Hey, do you want to talk about your channel?
Yeah.
What's your channel's name?
Hi guys. My channel's name is Junaid Ansari, so
please check his channel out and give him a like, subscribe,
okay.
like and subscribe.
I should tell you in description, but I'll tell you here. The spelling is JUNED ANSARI. Okay? Please check out my channel, guys, and put your hands, like, subscribe, and
he's gone crazy. So guys, and turn the notification bell on my channel, please guys. So yeah, let's carry on with the tour. Let's carry on with the tour, boys. We're gonna go to that museum over there. You can see a guys over there. Here. It's kind of crowded today, but that won't stop us from literally going into the museum. Want that? Bro, this is gonna be so good.
Sharjah Natural History and Botanical
Yeah.
Museum.
It is Sharjah Natural History and Botanical Museum you're stepping into. My little brother's there. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, he's my little brother. Dad, can I show you? Yeah, he's dead. My mom is over there. And there is a park here, bro. But we're going there. And yeah. What kind of videos do you make?
Huh?
What kind of videos do you make? Comedy or what?
Comedy, of course, yaar. What the?
Okay, guys. It's closed here, boys.
Oh, so sad. No, we can't go it. So
Yeah.
it's okay, guys. Next time we'll come. So
Yeah.
please see our videos continuously.
Yeah, guys. There's one more thing I would like you to do. We will carry on with the vlog, but
Bye.
no, we have to carry on with the vlog. We'll do something, bro. Hey, let's come. Come here. So, Mama. Huh. So, guys, we're gonna go back where we came from, and then, guys, we are going to play some games, maybe. We are going to do some trick shots for football, okay, guys?
Football.
Yeah.
Football. I love football.
We're gonna do football trick shots. Guys, please get this video to 200 likes. I know it's really bad and stuff, but please, guys, I know I've got like 200 plus views. Let's get more than that, boys.
Hey, but where are we going?
Okay, guys.
Bye-bye.
So, no, we're gonna go get playing football trick shots. This video might be for like 20 minutes. We're gonna play football trick shots.
Football.
Trick
So which
shots.
position are you making, bro? A midfielder, striker? Defender?
No,
Then?
we are playing trick shots to do a goal.
Okay.
Like he is the goalie. He's the goalie. He's the goalkeeper, and I will strike him. So I have to do something like who can do the better trick shot. That's what the game is all about, boys. So we will.